Welcome back to Tech24, your go-to channel for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're taking a closer look at the skincare gift set for teenage girls. This 5-piece skincare routine kit is the perfect travel-size companion for gentle skin cleaning and care. With a facial cleanser, toner, serum, eye serum, and face cream, this set is designed to replenish dry skin, reduce fine lines, and restore skin elasticity. Packed with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and other gentle skincare ingredients, this set penetrates deep into the skin for long-lasting hydration and moisture. Not only does the skincare set hydrate and moisturize, but it also relieves dry and dehydrated skin, firms the skin, and improves enlarged pores and rough skin. The lightweight formula ensures fast absorption, leaving your skin looking vibrant and firm. And with the upcoming holidays, this skincare set makes the perfect gift for your teenage girls, women, family, lovers, and friends. Give the gift of beautiful skin and confidence this holiday season. So, if you're ready to upgrade your skincare routine and achieve glowing, youthful skin, be sure to check out the skincare gift set for teenage girls in the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tech24 Quat.